Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss the Climate Asia part 3. So let's start the discussion of Climate Asia part 3. So this is the discussion. Jobs and livelihoods were another major concern, with 70% of those surveyed reporting that changes in climate and availability of water and food energy mean that they were less able to earn money. Farmers across the region described the increased cost and decreased income as crops were destroyed or rooted by extreme weather and planting seasons became less predictable. Nearly 3 out of 5 farmers have. How changes in rainfall can have an impact on people's life. Less predictable rainfall, it is very unpredictable now. You have rain suddenly like today. Water shortages or too much rain, our crops are damaged either because of untimely excessive rains or lack of water. Lack of clean water and drink in winter. If there is less clean drink water, there is the possibility of catching hepatitis suddenly. People are forced to ration water. We need to save as much water as we can. Need introduce better irrigation system. Increase in diseases, fever, flu, typhoid and many more such diseases are caused by drinking contaminated water. The cattle are also affected by the changes. They were getting sick. Increased expenses. We are not getting any help from the government in terms of purchasing the machinery for irrigation. We are putting in all the money to buy it ourselves. That's getting to be a bit of burden. Using more fertilizer, it is better that we use the chemical and fertilizer if we can increase the production that way. Having to buy more livestock. Medicines with contaminated water, we can fall sick. Then where is health? And when we spend to get treated, where is the wealth? Buying clean water, we will have to buy water. Lower income, we are selling our lands for money. There is poverty here. Migration to cities, people have left these villages and became migrant laborers in other states. They move when they face losses in agriculture and farming work. They are working in industries and perceived health problems associated with the changes in climate issues. Health problems identified by the people across Asia: increased temperatures and heat related illness, heat stroke, prickly heat and other skin rashes, sudden changes in weather, fevers, colds, flu and head cheese increase, dry season and pollution, respiratory problems, asthma, pneumonia, floods, droughts and lack of available clean water and waterborne diseases, cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, decreases in agricultural productivity, crops failing, poor nutrition caused by lack of food and changes in diet such as vitamin deficiencies and lack of balanced diet, and anemia, increases in pest, increases in diseases carried by mosquitoes, malaria, dengue, fever and chikungunya, overuse of pesticides, health concerns related to use of chemicals and pesticides, not seen their income from land increase at time when income is growing. For most people across the region, land is their bread and butter, said one woman from a rural area near the cities of Badh in southern Pakistan. They eat out of the land as well as earn from the land. Their whole business depends on this. In India, nearly half of people survived in rural areas reported that agricultural productivity had decreased during the last decades. Previously, there used to be rain for 4 months, said a man from the Indian state of Odisha. Now we get rain throughout the year. It rains in summer. It also rains in winter. Then it does not rain enough in the monsoon when we need it. It is not predictable anymore. Our crops get affected badly. 18. The, the precise ways in which changes in the climate manifest themselves vary considerably across the region. As figure, thus, for example, while the Bangladeshis were relatively more preoccupied with food security, Indians were more concerned with water security, and Indonesia with preparing for extreme weather. These tables suggested, above all, highly contextualized nature of climate change based concerns and by extension appropriate communication strategies. Thank you friends. If you like the videos, kindly like it and share it, and kindly press the subscribe button so you can get more videos. Thank you.